How to fix a white screen on your iPhone. If your iPhone is stuck on a blank white screen with no text, apps, or response to your taps, here are some steps you can try to resolve the issue. Step 1. Force restart your iPhone. The easiest solution is to perform a force restart. Here's how. 1. Quickly press volume up. 2. Quickly press volume down. 3. Press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo appear. Make sure to keep holding the side button even when you see the slide to power off option. It needs to stay pressed until the Apple logo shows up. This process will force your iPhone's operating system to shut down and restart, which can often resolve the issue. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to a computer. If the force restart doesn't work, the next step is to connect your iPhone to a computer. Use a Lightning or USB-C cable to connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC. If you're using a Mac, the Finder app will automatically recognize your iPhone. For Windows, download and install iTunes, then connect your iPhone. Once connected, the computer can run diagnostics, update your iOS operating system, or attempt to fix any software issues. Step 3. Visit the Apple Store. If the problem persists after trying both steps above, it may be time to visit an Apple Store. The technicians there can connect your iPhone to their diagnostic tools to identify the issue. It could be a software problem that requires reinstalling the iOS operating system, or even a hardware issue that may need repair or replacement. I hope this guide helps. If it does, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Thanks.